Yeah, may say, but a big round of applause for Heavenly Father and His guidance upon us. I'd like to, on behalf of everyone here, say thank you very much, Father Spatsiwa, for those kind words, and also blessing our event, and likewise the rest of the week and Pageant Week. And as you said, the best preparation is from the heart. This is from all our hearts, just a token of appreciation, a gift from the Honorable Minister and of course Chairman of the pageant. Yeah, so Swani Livayasio no Fiona, yeah, Awasisi from Waina. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, he's also blessed our food and drinks this evening, so the bar is now open. Yeah, the keynote address for this evening, the chairman of the Miss Pacific Islands pageant, and of course, the Honorable Minister of Tourism for Samoa, Fiona Totu Sulu, Cedric Schuster, for his keynote address. A big round of applause for the Honorable Chairman.
Sorry for the spot. My preparation is from a piece of paper. It was written from the heart. Talo for everyone. There's so many fucking artillery, for the spot, ministers of cabinet, contestants and respective delegations, the Pacific Islands pageant board of directors, esteemed judges, ladies and gentlemen, talofa lava and greetings to you all. It's my honor as chairman of the Pacific Islands pageant board to welcome our visitors to this year's Miss Pacific pageant as contestants, delegations and entourage, pageant board directors and our esteemed judges to beautiful Samoa. I acknowledge the presence of our Deputy Minister of Women Affairs and Tourism of Nauru. Thank you for coming. I want to acknowledge the pageant organizing committee in this year's Miss Pacific Islands pageant theme of strength and unity. This could not be more apt as the world, let alone the Pacific, starts to recover from the pandemic. Unity is strength only when there is collaboration. And I'm happy as the chairman of the Miss Pacific Islands pageant board to see that the collaboration and teamwork of the member countries of the Pacific Islands pageant continue to unify our Pacific Island countries. This year, some countries are not able to participate due to unavoidable circumstances, but they have conveyed their well wishes for the pageant and have assured that they will definitely participate in the next. Most people see a pageant as just a beauty contest. The pageant, however, signifies more than that. Everyone wants to be on the top of the mountain, but all the happiness and growth occurs while you're climbing it. This is one of the goals of the pageant, to help the Pacific young ladies grow and develop academically and personally so they can appreciate their cultures, their environment, as well as their people and more. This development comes from the contestants researching on their own, sharing knowledge and experiences with each other, and with all those involved in the pageant. Moreover, they learn from immersing themselves into the cultures of the host nation. Equally important, this is also an opportunity for contestants to build long-lasting relationships with each other, the core roots of peace, unity, and strength. And to the contestants, I encourage you all to do your best for your nations and wish you all the best in your preparations. Practice like you've never won, perform like you've never lost. Although to me, you've all become winners the day you put your hand up to compete for your national pageants to represent your nations at this year's pageants. Go with all our blessings and make your respective countries proud. To the NPI Board of Directors, Malolava, and thank you for carrying through to this day the works of the pageant and for your commitment to its purpose. To our esteemed judges, good luck. I wouldn't want to be in your shoes. The Deputy Minister of Nauru for Women Affairs and Tourism, may God continue to grant you good health so you may continue to serve Nauru and our visitors. Last but definitely not least, to the reigning Miss Pacific Islands. Se manu fono whako McFarlane se manu. Unexpected events can set you back or set you up. It's a matter of perspective. I can commend you for your patience and for always being the cheerful and gracious Miss Pacific Islands that we have come to love. I guess come Friday, you will be officially free to do whatever you want. The world is yours for the taking. Be proud, for you not only have acquitted yourself well during your reign, you will also go down in history of the Miss Pacific Islands pageant as one who held a title for 3 years. Thank you all and enjoy the evening and the performance. Soifua Meinuia.
Yeah, another round of applause, everyone, for the Honourable Minister of Tourism for Samoa, and of course, the Chairman. This is his reception for everyone. He's shouting everyone. Come on, another big round of applause. Yeah? He's shouting us too. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, concludes the main part of our formalities this evening. It's all about networking and getting to know each other, as mentioned by the Honourable Minister. Collaboration and strength provides unity for us in the Pacific as the theme for this year. And I'm sure everyone wants to see how the ladies have held up for the past couple of days coming in, and of course, what do you call the historical Miss Pacific Islands herself, who can't wait to give that crown to the next one on coming on and get married. And with that, I'm honored to come back and do my bit in assisting our industry with the role that I do by standing up here and knowing everybody. And I'm honored even more to do it with on the night, on Friday, with my colleague in the past years. I'd like to invite her to the podium to say a few words herself. Miss Samoa and Miss Pacific Islands 2011, Janine Tuvaiti. Janine has just arrived from Auckland, New Zealand, where she makes a living, and just managed to scratch a flight from after the flooding. Hi, Janine.
Oh, good evening, everyone. It is so fantastic to be here tonight. And how amazing is this event after 3 years? I just want to say talapalava again to everyone and welcome again to tonight's event. Just before I do continue, just some house rules, which we should have started with but it's all right, that's why I'm here. We'll do this together. So a few house rules for tonight, everyone. So our bathrooms are in the back with the pictures stipulating who goes where. And also in the event of an emergency, please do assemble outside here. If you do see the fire, just run the other way. And no, we won't be handing out sticks and marshmallows. We won't be making s'mores in the event of an emergency. So that is us for tonight, just some house rules for us. But I am, like you said, Hesed, I was in 2011, by the way. I'm not that old. But we'll just run along with that. We'll play along. But thank you again, and let's make the main event the main event. You ladies look absolutely stunning. I am so honored and privileged to be here, to be able to be witness to this event, which is going to take place on Friday. How are you feeling, Hess?
Oh, I'm feeling nervous with what you just said, but with what the minister said about Fono, or Semanu, she just got bestowed the Semanu title from the city of Savaki, Silent Longatown. Very friendly and hospitable people, church-going people as well. no crimes at all from Senator. And her dad's here, acknowledge the family, because without the family, there are Kwani there, and the parents. Yes, it's all about the whānau. And also, she's going to be free. How's that for you after all these years? How
Amazing. You don't even have to finish that sentence. It feels so good. But I mean, in saying that as well, it has been an honor to be able to not only be an ambassador for Samoa, but also the Pacific. And also to be able to share this platform with so many other beautiful women, because even though there is a winner, but like our chairman said, honourable chairman, everyone here is a winner in their own right. And you are ambassadors of your own Pacific nations. And to be able to also come back and to take part in this, thank you to the organising committee for having me here.
Wow. That was a mouthful. Yeah. Another round of applause for my co-host, Kim. And the moment everyone's been waiting for, especially those that haven't really heard and seen our lovely contestants, and likewise our historical Miss Pacific Islands herself, Sewanu, would like to invite the ladies to come up, beginning with the Miss Pacific Islands herself, for their individual introduction.